Maraming salamat, Eric.
These are all your favorite songs.
Yes.
I don't need to ask why. Alam ko kung bakit mong favorite song yan, pero it's beautiful talaga.
It is.
Because it also takes humility, di ba, boy? Para ma-acknowledge mo na nagkamali ka.
It does. At saka,
Who sang it originally?
it's an original.
Sino talaga yon?
Ang kwento niyan, right after Eric won the contest, ang aming decision was, ano ba, do we go for a quiet song? Do we go for a bravura song? Ito yung napili natin. But it was not an easy decision. We were in a quandary. Parang ang hirap kasi pumili ng unang awitin for a new artist. But I love that song. Talks about humility. That's true.
Diba? Yun talaga. Who wrote it?
Jonathan Manalo.
Jonathan, the brilliant Jonathan Manalo.
Very
Kanila lang,
talented.
Chris, sinasabi ko, maraming salamat sa aking mga kaibigan. I see sila Dr. Junji. Si Chen Chen is here, Chrissy. David, maraming salamat. Anyway, okay, so pagbigyang muli.
Bakit irreplaceable, boy? Bakit meron tayong Beyonce moment doon?
Alam nyo, aliw na aliw ako sa kantang yan. To the left, to the left.
Bakit ka?
Hindi ko alam.
Explain.
I can't explain that. Hindi ko maipaliwanag. Gusto ko lang. Pag sinabi mong Beyonce, yan ang unang kanta na pumapasok sa akin. Siguro dahil nag-ilusyon ako na maging Beyonce. Si Rap Rap, good morning. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday
La Arnie,
po.
Bugoy. Maraming salamat for being here, for sharing this very special day with me. Of course, si Jed, na pangarap namin ni Chris ay kasama namin araw-araw, lalo na sa kantahan. Judy, salamat.
Happy birthday.
Ganito na lamang, dahil birthday ko naman, para masaya ang usapan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon, tanungin niyo ako ng kahit ano. Hindi ako nangangakong may sagot, ha? Pero susubukan kong sagutin.
Tito Boy, sino ba yung best at worst sa buhay niyo?
Alin, best and
Worst.
na.
Best person in your life, worst person in your life, ganon?
Opo.
Siyempre, pupunta ko sa nanay ko. Pero huwag na natin isali ang nanay.
Oh, with the exception of nanay.
Depende sa pagkakataon. Pero, you know, that should be a straight question or a
Oh,
straight
ito ngayon
answer.
and not counting your significant other.
Oo
No
nga.
nanay, no significant other. Sino?
Worst muna ako, ha? Mahirap yung worst kasi hindi ako mapagtanim. Totoo yan, Chris. Halimbawa, pag may katampuhan ako o kaya nagagalit ako, nakakalimutan ko. There are many instances in my life na, halimbawa, nakakasalubong ko at sorry po. Sabi ko, bakit? Anong ginawa mo sa akin? Which means that hindi talaga ako mapagtanim at hindi ako nagwawalo doon sa hindi ko gusto. The best, Baby James. Totoo yun. Totoo yun.
Hindi nga pwede.
Si Baby James ay gusto ko eh. Alam niyo
I
kung bakit?
know.
You know, I like my closeness with a boy. For you don't have to explain why. You know, when he sees me, he makes me smile. And he makes nanay happy. And iba ang bonding namin. Hindi totoo yan, Rap.
Hindi, totoo talaga. As soon as Baby James sees him,
Totoo
tumatakbo
yun.
na talaga to run to him.
At saka, it's a different saya.
And not for anything, pero si Boy, hindi talaga ganun kahilig sa kids.
Hindi.
Except for Quintin. Who's really your kabonding,
An
di ba?
angel.
An angel and Quintin. Pero talagang, totoo yun actually, di ba? So meron kayong special bond. Rap, kantahan mo na siya. Why do you like this song?
And I'm telling you,
Yes.
mahilig ako sa drama. And of course, I love the musical.
Go
okay?
Rap.
And I'm telling you,
Yeah.